Hi everyone. Uh, I'm going to start a new channel for beginners who want to learn some programming languages or skills and to get into a software job. It might be very useful for them. And I will try to connect each and every important concept which is required uh, related to some of the topics. Let us see some of the topics which we can cover. Let us look into some of the topics I will discuss related to SDLC and different ways of developing a software like waterfall model and agile way of working, some kind of topics related to these, and coming to programming languages. mm, Something like related to C++, Java, Python. These are the basic languages or most important languages which we use in our daily life, and I will help you to know what are the differences between these languages and which one in which time whenever we are going to develop which language we need to use. Those kind of things we will discuss, and along with that version controlling. Whenever we are developing a project, then every time there will be some updates are going on, some new versions gets built, and how can we control that? How can we manage that? Those kinds of things uh, related to by using something like Git and GitHub, uh, and coming to web development, we will look into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the basic things which we use for web development, and coming to backend part, we will use either Python or C. And coming to Python, there is a chance that I can get in. I will help you to learn flask and dijango. So things will move on, and I will go on creating new playlists and new videos every 2 days or 3 days a week at least. If there is any delay, sorry for that, but I will try to make things happen. Not only these, we can get into, if possible, we will get into DevOps kind of thing also. But initially, I will go in a specific pattern where a new beginner, a person who wants to learn, who wants to get into a software field, what are the basic things he need? I will try to teach them. Okay, so follow up and subscribe my channel.